Good morning. I'm just prepping for my day, getting all my masks ready and that sort of thing. Obviously, we're really lucky here in Australia. Our numbers are incredibly low with the virus, so we're relaxing more of our restrictions this week. And I think here in Queensland, we've still only had 8 deaths. So we're just on the incredibly low side of this whole thing. But it's been really interesting chatting to clients and sort of the information that's out there, because some people are saying that the world's going to be better afterwards, and I keep saying, well, in what way? Because my brain goes to the stuff I don't want. I don't want mandatory vaccines. I don't want to be told I have to do something that I don't want to do so that I can keep my livelihood and my job for the rest of my life. And I don't want to be told that I'm endangering other human beings by being alive on the planet without forced medication. I just don't believe in it. So it's sort of funny, because the things people are coming back to me saying that they believe the world's going to be a better place is that they're saying, well, there's going to be better hygiene. People will be washing their hands. They should have been doing this forever. Oh, it's going to be a better place because I'm not a hugger. Oh, it's going to be a better place because I like staying indoors and I like staying inside. So obviously for that subset of people, they're going to be just fine and think this is, the next best things. For people who like their choice and their freedom, not so good. So it's sort of interesting to me, because once again, the way we have built immunity over generations has been through breastfeeding, has been through touch, has been through our microbes, our environment, the air we live in, sunshine, exercise. We know that being outdoors is good for us. We know that playing in dirt is good for our children. We know these things. It's all about our microbiome, our gut, our bacteria, all the bugs that are in our immune system. So we don't die of a lack of vaccines. That's not what we die from. So it's very interesting that when people are saying, yeah, the world's going to be a better place, and I'm hearing not things that are better. I mean, washing hands is sensible. I'm not saying that's bad, not touching your face, Anyway, I will wash my hands. But, it's just been an interesting thing, and I sort of think it's all going to come. It's all going to settle down. Sunshine has now been proven to kill this virus. What a surprise. Fresh air has been proven to kill this. There are now studies confirmed around the world, that things like the virus can't thrive in areas that are high in vitamin D, C and zinc, along with the other drugs, of course, the antibiotics and the hydrochloroquine and now this weird one with the remdesivir. But anyway, won't get into that. Anyway, just interesting, just my musings for this morning. Hope you're all going really, really well, and that your parts of the world open up soon and life becomes more normal. Love. Bye.